What's going on, guys? Gabe with ReviewDork. Now, this video is a little different. It's more of a vlog. And, yeah, we're giving away this PlayStation 5. And I had to succumb to a scalper. And I'll explain to you why I succumbed to a scalper. I even tried to play by scalper rules, bought a bot, just so I can secure a few PS5s to give away. Unfortunately, Black Friday sales, Walmart crashed, GameStop crashed, everybody crashed, no one had them. So we bought a PS5 off of eBay. In order to keep my word with these giveaways, I have to pay arm, leg, and my left scrotum just to be sure I'm able to keep my word and give away a PS5. We're also doing this with an Xbox Series X. We're giving a couple away, actually. So, here's my thing. Before you guys judge me like, hey, Gabe, you're enabling the scalpers, let's really put the burden on the retailers, such as Walmart, GameStop, Best Buy. Now, these are major retailers with major resources that are able to implement mitigation to prevent bots from buying these units up. And so the problem exists in just the pure nature of distribution and logistics. Now, if I'm Best Buy or Walmart or Target or any major retailer, of course, there's a financial incentive to make the devices online only because the cost savings from having to redistribute, let's say, 100,000 units. What are the cost savings of online only as opposed to in-store only? And that's another thing. If any of these retailers really cared about the consumer, they would have made the PlayStation 5 and the Xbox Series X in-store only, which would allow the parents, the consumers, you want to make your child happy. There's a lot of disappointed children, or soon-to-be disappointed children here in the holiday season. A lot of people are unable to find these units, and the only way to get these units is through eBay. So we're meeting somebody. I am going to pay $1,000, but I am also going to give this away. Now, the problem isn't me again. The problem is the retailers, who really don't care much about the consumer in as much as they care about the bottom line. Just got to look at this as cost-saving measures and a way to boost the bottom line, especially for these major retailers. Don't hate on the guy who was actually able to score a PS5 and attempting to sell it on eBay. It's the only place you can get these units. So someone like myself who doesn't get review copies from Microsoft, someone like myself who says, I'm giving a unit away, I have to pay the premium. We're gonna pick it up, and in about 2 minutes, or maybe after we do some movie magic, you should see the PS5 sitting right here. And I should see $1,000 missing from my bank account. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Unfortunately, ironically, we are at Walmart. We met the guy at Walmart. So, it is what it is. Walmart, you felt us all. Alright guys, you can see that they already have a PS5. Now, we got another one just for you. So how do you win? Leave a funny comment down below. Like, share, subscribe. And yeah, if I think it's funny, if I laugh, if Applejack's over there laughs, then you might win. But it has to be a funny comment. And please, no asshole comments like, oh, you're part of the problem, Gabe. Like, no. I'm doing this for you guys. Somebody's going to be happy because we're going to give this away. And it's the holiday season, right? It's all about giving. But make sure you subscribe. This is Gabe with ReviewDork. I'm signing out. Peace.